Hello guys. Everybody must have heard about digital marketing. It was a era of digital marketing, and after that we are, everybody aware about the social media marketing as well, where we try to approach our leads via Facebook, via LinkedIn, and all the social platforms like Instagram. But now there is something new that is AI marketing. It becomes hard actually to do the things because we have limitation of time as well, resources as well. So AI comes with and help us actually to manage that. We can channelize and all our leads and create a pipeline, and we can even create responses as well. Now, but like we will be discussing about these later in our next sessions. But for now, मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे questions आ रहे थे regarding a specific thing that is WhatsApp API. That what exactly it is, and even how to add a number and how to operate it via the Meta account. Let me brief all the details, but today we will be just doing one thing. I will show you कि एक number add कैसे करते हैं WhatsApp API में, and we will be doing it from very fresh. हम लोग कोई एक तरीके से पहले का we will not skip anything. Okay, so first of all, little bit brief about these things. WhatsApp API. Obviously, WhatsApp gave a very good feature, that is, we can use WhatsApp for business marketing, you can say. Now, and even we can, आपने देखा होगा कि आपके पास अच्छी अच्छी कंपनीज के मैसेजेस आते हैं, they directly start approaching you over the WhatsApp. WhatsApp business जो हम पहले यूज कर रहे थे, there are some troubles actually. You cannot automate the things, you cannot create the responses as well. There are some other limitations as well, right? So WhatsApp API के अंदर ये सारी चीजें possible है, and you just need to create a lead list and you can automate the things. Obviously, with all the approvals, and there are a few basic things that you need to manage, and there are some limitations as well, that you can maximum add 3 phone numbers over there. I will tell you that how to add a number into API and how to get it activated with the third party vendor which can provide you the services. Well, WhatsApp API ultimately it's a product of Facebook, Meta. So there is a business.facebook.com. So from that Meta account, you will be creating the WhatsApp API and even the approval. But after that, you need a vendor to operate the things, to make the things, create a channel, upload the contacts, leads over there, and to send the messages. काफ़ी लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि जैसे मेटा के अंदर उन्हें अप्रूवल मिल जाता है, मेटा के अंदर उन्हें व्हाट्सएप का कॉन्फ़िगर हो गया, बट दे बिकम कंफ्यूज कि अब मैसेजेस कैसे करें. बिकॉज मेटा के अंदर ऐसा कहीं पर भी मेंशन नहीं है. बट इटसेल्फ इज अ कंफ्यूजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म थोड़ा सा है कभी कभी. बट टुडे आई विल टेल यू इन अ वेरी सिंपल वे, एंड इवन द आर्किटेक्चर कि वो कितना सिंपल है समझने के लिए. कुछ फीचर्स और उन सारी चीज़ों को एक जगह प्लेटफॉर्म पर करने की वजह से वी गेट कंफ्यूज. Otherwise, it's a very simple process from a single platform. उसका intention ही Facebook का ये था कि एक single platform होना चाहिए for a business, from where you can operate your Facebook business page as well, Instagram account as well, WhatsApp also, and you can create your apps also. With the help of that, you can integrate with the third party vendors as well, third party applications also. Alright. सो वो सिंपल करने के लिए है चीज़ें, ना कि कॉम्प्लिकेट करने के लिए. पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड ड्यू टू दैट लिटिल बिट, बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू एवरीथिंग. लाइक हम लोग का जो एक्शन है आज का, दैट इज जस्ट टू ऐड अ नंबर फॉर टुडे. But yes, I will explain you a little bit कि हाँ actually मैं ये क्या चीज़ है like at the time of the page. Okay, so let's see. Let's not waste more time. Get into that meta account, and after that I will show you how to do it. So let's start. Okay, so this is our let me close it. This is our business.facebook.com. That's the place where we have to log in. Now it requires the Facebook account. Okay, so we need to log in with our account, with our Facebook account, obviously. Okay, it's sending me a OTP code to my number. Let me quickly open it. Okay, so now we are into our Facebook Meta Business Suite account. So understanding this way, this is something, a business of my life. Okay, so this was one of the page actually which I created from my Facebook. जैसे Facebook के account में आता है. So I created a page somewhere around when I was somewhere around like 12 or 14, I believe. I'm so sorry. I don't remember. All right. So it was just an idea that I will create a book, I will write a book, and that title would be Business of My Life. Well, this plan is still pending, like others. All right. So let me show you that what kind of architecture we have on Meta. All right. So these are the business portfolios, right? So here in my account, we have 3 business accounts over there, business portfolios. First is the Let Me, which is, one business. Second is the Saurabh Sharma, because that is something, it's like a kind of portfolio which I wanted to create it. So I created with this. And then third is the Chessin Consultants Private Limited. So it's again a business, right? So when we are looking at these business, वहाँ पर assets लिखा हुआ है. That means उसके assets क्या क्या हुए? In terms of digital world, that is their pages, their applications, their Insta accounts, right? So here it is showing us like all those assets that Chessin के अंदर 2 business asset हैं, that is Chessin Consultants का एक Facebook page है, Let Me Study के नाम से एक Instagram account है, which is also associated with Chessin. But anyways, let's come back to, and we will discuss the one that is Let Me. All right. So let's come to a single business. Here, with the help of this option, we can create a new business portfolio also. But today is not our motto to create a new business. If you require, and like in the comment section, ask me, and for sure it's like I will be creating a video on that as well. All right, for now, let's come back to our topic. So I'm on settings for my Let Me business, and they sent me a code. Let me quickly enter that code. That is 660728. Okay. Right, so it's accepted. Now I'm into my Let Me business. It's again a Meta business account, and it's a business portfolio. You can take a look here. So the business name is Let Me, and it's a business portfolio. Okay. So here now these are the all the options, all the features of this business, which for now it is because I was using this account, so it's already mentioned over there. But I will, as I said, that I will show you how to add a number to the WhatsApp API. All right, and how to start using it to send a message. I will show you on it. All right. So these are the 2 people actually who are operating this Meta business account. You can add more people by sending an invitation. You can simply put their email address, send them request, they accept it, create their, and obviously they should have the Facebook account to get into this. All right. So we will send them invitation, they will log in, and they will be added as a, here we will get a list of all those candidates who got the access to manage this Let Me business. Okay, let's come back to the next thing. This is the partners. Okay. So these are the partners. Partners, that means if you are working on this business with some of the vendors, some other applications might be, some other businesses trying to get the access of this account so that you can work with them. Otherwise, you are allowing किसी और एप्लीकेशन को एक्सेस देना चाहते हो आप जिसमें आप उनके फीचर्स को यूज करना चाहते हो एंड देन दे कैन like take the input from these from this account with the help of keywords and their tokens, so they can also you can add that partners also here with give a partners access to your assets जो आपने assets यहाँ पे बनाए हैं या तो LinkedIn page, Insta page या कोई application specifically या login application. So here it is like you can see two applications which I'm using, that is Bit Notifier. Second is Zoho Corporation. Zoho Corporation, well, actually I use it for the CRM to manage my customers and leads actually, and this WA Notifier, that is something which I use actively currently for sending the WhatsApp messages by API. So I will this is not a paid promotion, to be very honest. This application is really simple. This is a very custom, simple. You will not find bulky things, complicated things. It's very simple. Login, add number, upload a list, and send messages. That's it. But yes, when you have simple things over there, sometimes it becomes you should have knowledge about it, because ultimately most of the things you are doing it little bit, you can say they are not suggesting the things that how it should be done. Little bit, there are few things that you have to maintain, that is the WhatsApp policies. Okay, we will come back on those limitations and those problems actually might be in some other videos, but not here. Let's come back quickly and show up the things to you. Okay, I can see that this is a WhatsApp account. So take a look here. There are two WhatsApp accounts mentioned here. First is Let Me Design, and this is Test WhatsApp Business account. If you do not have any account, maximum you can hold 3 accounts at the time. But if you do not have it at the time of the installation, they have the Test WhatsApp Business account so that you can test it. Okay, so it's the WhatsApp account which is added. Here you can add more business WhatsApp accounts, or WhatsApp business app account here, and you can it will be shown here. Okay, so let's see for the Let Me Design. Here when I'm going to the settings, it's like all the information is here which I entered regarding the business at the time when I was adding this WhatsApp business account. They asked me to the verification and I uploaded all the documents. Well, this documents was not uploaded when I was adding this WhatsApp business. These verification was done at the time when I was taking an approval for the WhatsApp API from Meta, when I was creating the business manager, right? So automatically, if your account is verified, if you already sent the got it approved from Meta, everything, automatically when you will add on one WhatsApp account and you will add the payment method, automatically it will be showing this business verification verified and account status approved, like after an hour or so. Okay, here it is the option for the WhatsApp manager. Now specifically we are into the WhatsApp manager, which is for Let Me Design, which we created. Okay, so in WhatsApp accounts, here I can see that this is the Let Me Design account. Okay, and this is the Test Business account, which I told you that there is one account over there which is by default it is there. Okay, so here it is apps. So as I told you we have to create an app because ultimately WhatsApp API, we need to create an app which can connect your Meta uh, account to a third platform, which is from where you can send the messages. So from here only you can create an app, which I created here. And when I will click on open in app dashboard, I will get into the developers. Okay, here you can see this is the dashboard, this is the application, which is let with the name of let me. Okay, now here when you will find an option which says WhatsApp. Click on it, and there are two options over there. First is quick start, API setup, configuration. So you can, like with quick start, let's say we're starting with this, and this application is live. So that means at the time, first of all, you need to create the application, fill all the details. If your account is verified, automatically there will be no trouble to make it live. Okay. Alright, so in this application, it is something where I just click on, let's say, configure app. Okay. So see here, this is a callback URL which is connecting to the WA notifier, which is an account which I created over there. All right, and what I did, I put it there, the callback URL and the verify token here, and automatically it's a kind of a webhook. So that is created and it will automatically, so आपने एक तरीके से Facebook पे एक मेटा अकाउंट बनाया, वहाँ पर आपने अपना बिजनेस पोर्टफोलियो बनाया, बिजनेस पोर्टफोलियो बनाने के बाद आपने वहाँ पर अपने एसेट्स बनाए, पेज बुक, वो कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, इंस्टा पेजेस, आपका व्हाट्सएप के अकाउंट्स, आपका कुछ भी, सो आपने व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस अकाउंट बनाया, देन यू गॉट एन अप्रूवल फॉर लाइक जो आपका डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ आपका बिजनेस अप्रूव करा फेसबुक ने. जब वो अप्रूव हो गया, you just need to create application which can integrate with those numbers जो आपने ऐड करे मेटा अकाउंट में with the third party applications from where you can send the messages. There are lots of third party applications from there you can send it. Even you can do it from Zoho as well with the integrated CRM, जहाँ पे आप चैनल भी और भी फंक्शनैलिटीज यूज कर सकते हैं. आई एम रिसेंटली यूजिंग Zoho, बट उससे पहले I was using the WA notifier as well, and it's very simple to start actually. I will suggest if anybody is new, they can create an account. There is a free account as well, I think so. Like we started, I don't know currently वो provide कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं, but you can create a profile over there with the email address, and I will suggest you अगर आपका मेटा अकाउंट जिस ईमेल एड्रेस से, अगर आप उसी अकाउंट से उसी ईमेल एड्रेस से सजेशन है कि वहाँ पर भी अकाउंट बनाना. सो इफ इट इज विद द सेम ईमेल एड्रेस, ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ पर ऑप्शन है ऑटोमेटिकली सिंक कर सकता है. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव इट, इन दैट केस यू नीड टू क्रिएट link it manually. Okay, so let's do it, and we will get into this my account. So that is, let me show you, this is the app.wanotifier.com. Okay, see, so let me design. These are two numbers actually, which I was showing to you here earlier in the assets. Here it is. Yeah. So here it is. These are the two numbers actually, and for adding a new number, I can add it for sure. Okay, and it is not used. So right now you can, and even I can show you that how to add it, this number, from when you will go into this manage account settings, you can simply add a WhatsApp number from here. All right, but there should be no WhatsApp account created on any of the phone. That means आपका number आपके फ़ोन पर उससे कोई associated account नहीं होना चाहिए. So it should be a fresh number that you need to use here, and after that you cannot open any WhatsApp account on any of the phone number. Alright, so you need to add that number here, and after that you need to, like, your meta account is verified, you know, so automatically all these fill all the information and automatically it will be verified. Then go to the WhatsApp manager here. From here actually you can fill all the details and you can create the system user as well. All right, from here you can create the templates also. As I told you that these two numbers are added here, billings will be here whenever it will be used. Now in order to use it, because Meta ने आपको अनलिमिटेड यूज का मैसेजेस सेंड करने के लिए परमिशन दे दी है. Okay, your business is legit, you have all the things, you are following all the things, policies, WhatsApp policies for the data protection, everything over there. Then they approved you actually to send the messages, and you have a, right now as in my account I have a unlimited messages number, so that means I can send unlimited messages. There is a time cycle also where we can save money. That is like one, if I'm sending, there are some restrictions as well. When I'm saying unlimited, that doesn't mean that I can irritate one person continuously by sending messages to him continuously. It is something that yes, there is a window I can send him after 24 hours. So if I'm talking to someone in the last 24 hours, I can send them the messages, no problem, like without any problem I can send the messages, and it will not be charged also. All right, but if I'm sending that window channel is finished, then if I'm sending a message and approaching him, that will be charged. Okay. All right, so these are the two numbers which are added. And let's come back to the WA notifier. Let's say here you created an account and this will be empty, and you have to add this number. So let me remove this number 62892. Okay. Okay. These both are free subscriptions on which it is connected. Okay. So let me show you with the let's say I'm adding a new phone number. Okay, so it will give you up this screen. As I told you earlier that if you already using the same email address, so here you can connect it with Facebook as well. You can simply click on this. It will ask you to log in with the email address, and you can simply get started. Select the business portfolio on which it is accepted, and you can add the WhatsApp. Alright, and automatically all these details, click on next. Then it is like this is, you need to select that which business account. Automatically it's fetched all the information. It is showing my all the applications and WhatsApp business accounts. Alright, otherwise it is asking me to create a new WhatsApp business profile where I can add a new WhatsApp number, but it doesn't make sense because मेरे account में already business portfolio बना हुआ है, so there is no point actually of adding it. So I'm going back again and I will be doing it with the API credentials. So that is the second option, that is want to connect using API credentials instead. So click on connect using API credentials. Okay, it's showing us a video as well to join it, but I'm here, so I will tell you that how to do it. Okay, so it's giving us two things to to create a webhook. So okay, so callback URL and verify token. All right, now we also have to mention here three things about our business account. First is phone number ID, second is WhatsApp business account ID, and third is the permanent access token. Okay, so I will tell you how to get it. Let's say this is the API setup. Okay, so as I told you that we need to select the number first of all. So when I am selecting this number, let's say this is the number which I selected. It is showing us this is our development.facebook, the same account where we are actually doing the things. So don't get confused where it is. So it's like it's the same let me जहाँ पे आपने बनाया था. So यहाँ पर phone number ID, copy it and paste it here. Okay, and then WhatsApp business account ID, paste it here. Okay, now it is asking permanent access token. So what actually it is doing, it is giving, like we are giving the access to WA notifier because that's a outside application. So we are just giving the access to it. Okay, so permanent access token. So what we have to do now, in order to get the permanent access token, we need to go into the app roles, click on roles. Okay, here you need to edit roles in the business manager. That is, आपको business manager के अंदर वहाँ पर system user, you will find an option system user. So you can generate access token. So you can create a generate access token. It will ask you कि किस application के लिए बनाना है, and it is like permanent access token. So that means 60 days is recommended. You need to select never, and after that, that is something. It's if it is selected, it's fine. Well, it will be automatically selected, but still, in that case, if it is not selected, WhatsApp business management and WhatsApp business messaging, select it, and after that click on generate token. Alright, when it is generated, it will be like this. So you need to copy it, okay, and after that you need to paste it here. Now come back to the application where we actually open in the app dashboard. So हम लोग उस application के dashboard में फिर से आ गए, हम लोग फिर दोबारा configuration में गए, and यहाँ पर callback URL में edifier में verify token डाला, and we can like it's the same. You can let me show you. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's the WA notifier. I just added it, and after that select it. Okay, here it is. Like I need to paste it, and after that verify and save. Alright, so in my case it's already verified with the same tokens, so that's why let's not change it, but it's the only way. And after that, once it is done, in here, and you need to click on validate and proceed, and automatically you will get the screen. There's a screen. Alright, so WhatsApp number added. Alright, now it depends. Let's see how simple it is. That is like you need to upgrade if you want for a package over there. Otherwise there is a limitation where we can send this messages. So let's try these are the phone numbers, this is the display name. That means just आपका जो name display होगा जब किसी WhatsApp पर जाएगा. Message limit, it is showing unavailable, quality rating high, phone number status connected. So it will say connected when it is connected to the Meta account. Okay. Alright, so it is asking that you create a message template, add your contacts. That means आप एक list add कर रहे हो, and then you are sending a notification or sending any message to all the list in just one click, right? So that makes sense. And after that, see here, from here actually you can add the things. Here it is the list and tags where you can save multiple lists. Like let's say in my domain, There is an IT domain, there is IT industry, there is IT industry, there is health industry, and I have people from all the domains, and I have to divide it, tag it actually to save the leads, that it is a cyber security, it is for the management. I need to tag it with that, and I keep that list, and after that I run the campaigns. All right. So, and this is the way, like, if you want to add all the numbers and contacts in in one go, so you can do it with the help of CSV file as well. Create, and these are the formats where you can add it, and after that you can create the automations as well. Well, that's what I was saying in the basic. That let's do in this way. Let me show you one by sending a simple message to me. I never use this account to send any message, as it was showing to you as well. There is no conversations, but let me send. There is no contact as well. I never uploaded and used this account. I just kept it actually for for any of the thing. So let me add myself. Okay. My last name. So here I'm just adding it, manually. But it is something. It's like if you're adding a CSV, it would be you can add 5,000, 10,000 contacts in a single tap. Okay, so enter WhatsApp number with country code. So that means it's 919760804634. Subscribe, contact list, like if I need to add it, any tags which I want to make it, and after that save. Okay, so it is saying all right, there should be a plus sign. I just forgot it. Okay, so let's save it, and it is saved. Okay, now let's go to the contacts. Here I have this number. Here I can send a template. Now I have to create a template before sending it. All right, so there is no template created. I need to select and I need to create one template at least. So message template. So let me quickly create a new template. Learning IT. Okay. So it's a marketing, or it's where utility transactional messages के लिए आपको भेजना है customer को. So let's select marketing, English, custom template. Okay, header. What you want to select as a header. So let's say header text learning. So here you can see the preview as well, that how this message will be there in the customer. So what's up? Okay, learning and development. Okay, after that, body, are you planning to boost your career? Okay, so send via WhatsApp, and let me put my brand name, that is let me study, and after that I can create a button as well. There are few things. See, yes, mostly people think कि आपका WhatsApp API आ गया, unlimited आपको capacity मिल गई, potential मिल गया to reach your candidates, and you have a lot of target audience. But understand one thing first of all. See, there are WhatsApp business policies. There are all around the global policies for the data. All right. So you cannot do in this way. You can just shoot out your messages, and bulk messaging and do all those things. So understand there are some limitations. There is a proper way to use it. All right. If you are not aware about it, take the lessons. Otherwise, learn those things. Now, WhatsApp API, it's very beneficial for your business. You can even hire a third-party company as well to manage your social media. and even the WhatsApp API to generate the business and generate the revenue from the existing customers also. So you can do that, and you can just create a channel and campaign over there which can automatically running and responding to the customers. So that's all is about AI marketing. All right, but we will be covering all those aspects in the upcoming sessions. Just time for like when you will ask, right? So for now, here we just create a quickly a custom button. Let's say not interested, so that आपको there are always some benefits. Let's say if you're saying and giving them option of not interesting, that means you will not get no any kind of a blocks or something. So if somebody is sending you not interested, that simply, some people think, why do create a button for not interested? Understand, if you are giving them your customer an option to unsubscribe or not interested, to say not interested to you, that means you will accept it and do not message them till they approach you. Otherwise, what they will do, you keep on messaging them and they will block your number and they will just report that number, and ultimately that will impact on your ratings, which I shown you at the time when we were creating it. Okay, so let's start and send it for the approval. Okay, so what is it is saying that when I will send it, it will take 30 minutes to 24 hours for them to review it. So when they are saying review it, that means Facebook will review it and give us an approval so that we can send that and use that template actually to use it. Now I just click on your message template has been sent, and here I just refreshed it and it got approved. It got approved, like it says sometime when you are using a different type of keywords or something which is not prohibited, actually, which is prohibited to use it over there, like selling or any kind of a, if any of the keyword is there like drug or something, then they just do not allow that and they cancel that template, and even might can take more actions against the business account. But anyways, for now it was a very custom account, and they just approved it just after that. Okay, now as it is approved, now I can send and select this template to send the messages. So let's go back to the contacts, and here I can see here my name, my contact which I saved, and from here I can select the template and simply send it, and it's sent. Okay, so from here I sent a message to him, and I can check it in inbox as well. That is, like, one message is sent to this and it is asking me to upgrade the subscription plan. To reply to that, if I get the messages I can see here, but I cannot reply. To reply to the customer, I need to upgrade, and it's something associated with WA notifier. It has nothing related to Meta account or Facebook account over there. Yes, it will be charged. The charges will reflect in the Meta account over there. Okay, so, and it's 24 hours window. Right now it's closed. If it is upgraded, it will be open once the candidate answer me, it becomes open for 24 hours and we can chat with the customer without any extra fee. And once it is closed, again, if I'm sending the messages, it will be charged again. Getting me? So there is a proper way actually, some people say that it's very costly. It's not. To be very honest with you, it's not. The only thing is you need to manage, you should be aware, you should have knowledge about it. Okay, and I will try my best. You can approach me send me an email, or even in the comment box you can mention me like your questions if you have any questions. I will try to cover in my next sessions. Well, thank you. For now I'm done. We will be doing more sessions again very soon according to your request. Thank you.